To sign a contract, you'll need to be on the Purchase Contracts tab. Here you can easily browse all the contracts accessible to you within a specific marketplace. Notice how the contracts are categorized for your convenience. And for any categories that have a description, it'll have a blue info icon beside it. Regular contracts are in blue, single-use contracts are in orange, and any contracts you've already purchased are grayed out. Up at the top right-hand corner, you'll see what we call our Easy button. It's currently grayed out, but what this will do is if you have purchased a contract in a previous cycle and it was now available in the current cycle, you could click this button and it would automatically add those contracts to your cart. To sign a contract, first you need to add it to your cart. Click on the desired contract and it will go to a new page. Here you can read over the contract description and add contract in the bottom right-hand corner. It'll now appear in your cart. If the contract offers services, select the Contract Services tab to select any additional services you'd like to add. Services that are grayed out with a check mark are a required service of the contract. Any services with an orange exclamation mark are awaiting an input to finish calculating the price. As you add services, the total will be updated at the bottom. Once all services have been selected, click Add Contract. If there are any bundles available for the services, they will appear above the available services. You can click on the bundle of your choice and it will automatically make all services in the bundle required. It will also say that the discount will be calculated in the cart. Then click Add Contract. In the cart, you can now see that it has a discounted price. You can sign contracts individually by selecting the three dots next to a contract. Here you can remove it from the cart, update the contract, download the contract, or review and sign. Click Review and Sign. You can review through the contract to make sure everything looks correct. And at the bottom, it'll show any prompts that you answered, your total cost, who it was signed by, and the date it was signed on. To sign, simply click Sign in the bottom right-hand corner. It has now disappeared out of your cart. You can also sign multiple contracts at once by selecting Select Multiple at the bottom of the cart. From here, you can either select contracts individually by clicking the checkbox, or you can just hit Select All. Then you can click Remove or Review and Sign. Let's click Review and Sign. Then you can review each contract individually. Click Sign. It says one of two, and it'll take you to the next contract available. And then click Sign again.